You know what pisses me off? What goes around doesn't come around. Why couldn't whoever designed this place have made it so if you do something bad, it costs you, and if you do something good, it pays? It's so obvious. Automatic natural rewards for doing the right things. Automatic natural punishments for doing the wrong things. You do bad, you get cancer. You do good, you win the lottery. Nature delivering good and bad luck on time so we learn from it. Nothing personal or arbitrary. Good luck to good people, bad luck to bad people. That would keep us in line. That would keep crime from paying and murdering dictators from living long, happy lives in cushy palaces. Justice should be automatic. Instead, we have to try to make things right manually. It's exhausting and we're terrible at it. Sloppy, spotty, impotent, biased. We get into bloody fights over what's good and bad when really that shouldn't be up to us. It should be up to some independent ref with no skin in the game, some universal natural super judge that knows good from bad and would be consistent, efficient, inescapable, delivering the rewards and punishments. If we felt immediate direct consequences for our actions, we'd get our shit together lickety-split. What do we have instead? We've got dreamers pretending that's what we've got. Some all-powerful judge who happens to side with them about what's good and bad. And since there's no evidence that we've got that, they have to pretend the judge postpones consequences to some unknowable afterlife, which is as effective at getting people to straighten up as punishing a dog in the evening for peeing on the carpet in the morning. You've got well-paid criminals rising to the top while pretending crime doesn't pay and punishing the good people. And you've got these endless wars, good and bad people killing each other over who's bad and good, like they know. It's stupid.